There are some special tools that every knitter needs in their knitting bag, and I'm going to go over the 6 main ones that I think you have to have. And the last one is my favorite by far, and probably one of the most important ones that you can buy. Number 1 is a row counter. And these are essential for beginners and experts alike. When you're following a pattern, these are a lifeline for keeping track of your place. Make sure if you're a beginner, you make it a habit to click the counter after every row. Number 2, stitch markers. These little plastic clips are how knitters mark the beginning of rows, spots where increases are made, and more. You can buy some. They have locking and unlocking versions. I much prefer these locking ones because the others seem to fall off my needles. You can also make them using scrap yarn or even use paper clips. Number 3 is a crochet hook. If you don't already crochet, make sure you have one of these in your arsenal. They're such a helpful tool for picking up drop stitches, and if you don't know how to do that yet, definitely learn. It's not nearly as scary as it sounds. Number 4 is a tapestry needle. These look like regular sewing needles, but they're jumbo size with a blunt end. They're essential for weaving in your ends when you finish a project, and also can be used for cast-off techniques like Kitchener stitch and the tubular bind-off. Number 5 are stitch holders. Stitch holders are metal clips you can offload live stitches onto. You use these a lot when making sleeves for sweaters, and you need to keep live stitches set aside. You can for sure use scrap yarn to hold them, but I find it so much easier to switch the stitches back onto a knitting needle with these. Number 6 is a set of interchangeable needles, and this is my favorite item. They come with different size cords and different size needles that can be combined. It is a little bit of an upfront investment, but it's worth it if you really want to pursue this craft. I'll show you how to do it, because not only can you use them for circular needles, you can use them as straight needles as well. In fact, that's all I use for my personal projects. If you want to learn magic loop, you could use them for everything and never have to buy any other needles. So you take any size cord and any size needle, and they come with this little key. And then you see they have these threads on the end, and you just twist them on and then use the key. They've got these little holes down here, and lock them into place. This one came with a bunch of sizes, and then you can buy specialty needle sizes as well. I don't think this brand is for sale anymore, but I'll post a few options below.